Welcome to Motivational Mastery. In this video, I am gonna show you, how does the brain influence your emotions? Like the video and don't forget to subscribe. The brain plays a critical role in shaping and regulating our emotions. It serves as the control center for our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, and it is responsible for processing and interpreting the sensory information that we receive from the environment. Through a complex system of neural pathways and chemical messengers, the brain influences our emotional responses to various stimuli, ranging from everyday events to life-changing experiences. At the most basic level, the brain influences our emotions by processing and interpreting sensory information from the environment. For example, when we see a loved one smile, our brain recognizes the facial expression as a positive stimulus and triggers the release of chemicals such as dopamine and serotonin, which are associated with feelings of happiness and pleasure. Similarly, when we encounter a threatening situation, such as a loud noise or a sudden movement, our brain responds by activating the sympathetic nervous system, which triggers the fight or flight response and prepares our body to respond to the perceived danger. The brain also plays a critical role in regulating our emotions by maintaining a balance between different chemical messengers or neurotransmitters. For example, dopamine and serotonin are associated with positive emotions, while noradrenaline and cortisol are associated with negative emotions such as anxiety and stress. When the balance of these neurotransmitters is disrupted, it can lead to emotional disturbances such as depression or anxiety. Moreover, the brain's limbic system, which includes the amygdala, hippocampus, and hypothalamus, is responsible for regulating emotions and emotional memory. The amygdala, for example, is involved in the processing of emotional stimuli, such as fear or aggression, and is responsible for triggering the fight or flight response in response to perceived threats. The hippocampus, on the other hand, is responsible for encoding and storing emotional memories, such as the memory of a traumatic event. Another critical aspect of how the brain influences emotions is through its role in social interaction. Our brains are wired to respond to social cues, such as facial expressions and body language, and to interpret the emotional states of others. This social awareness allows us to empathize with others and to form social bonds, which can have a significant impact on our emotional well-being. In conclusion, the brain plays a complex and multifaceted role in influencing our emotions. Through its role in processing sensory information, regulating neurotransmitter levels, and controlling emotional memory, the brain shapes and influences our emotional responses to the world around us. Understanding the neural mechanisms that underlie emotional processing and regulation can help us to better understand our own emotional experiences and to develop strategies for improving our emotional well-being. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe.